Forex trading signals. What is a Forex trading signal? It is possible to trade Forex pairs with the help of Forex signals, which is a popular and innovative financial tool. A Forex signal, generated either by an automated program or by a trader, determines when to enter or exit a trade. A Forex trading signal is essentially an alert that indicates whether traders should enter or exit a position, go long or go short. In the Forex market, signals are often based on specific times and prices and can be identified with help of technical analysis or fundamental analysis. After the signal is generated, the trader can decide whether to take action or not. It is important to mention that in a fast and liquid market like the Forex market, a Forex signal is only helpful when it is used at the right time. Signals may become unreliable if they are received too late.